Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Harriet Anabo. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you're most welcome. And if you're my returning viewer, thank you so much for always coming back and clicking into my videos. So you guys, today we are live in central Uganda and I'm still in Katabi. Katabi is a small village where I was born and raised, and it is located in Entebbe. So you guys, today we are going to be preparing offals, and that is how they look like. So that's what we are going to cook today. We are having offals and we are going to be taking you through and show you how we prepare it here in central Uganda. But don't forget to give your girl a sweet comment and kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So the first thing that I did is first put my offals on fire so that they can dry up. And I also added some eggplant so that I can spice it up. In Luganda, we call offals ebyenda. Kindly let me know how you call them in your language. So after drying up, they started producing some oils. The next thing that you do is get your onions and then you add them in your offals. After you stir a bit. So after adding in my onions, I went ahead and added my tomatoes that we are going to spice up my offals. So basically, this is how you cook your offals. Today we are frying them, but if you want, you can as well boil them. But today we are just frying them. So the next thing that I did, I got my carrots and also added them in my offals. After adding in my carrots, I went ahead and got my garlic. I love spicing up my sauces using garlic because it brings out the nice aroma. Kindly let me know where you're watching me from and leave a comment just down below the comment section and let me know what you think of this video. But stay tuned up to the end of this video. After adding in all the ingredients, I went ahead and added in the Reiko. Those are the spices. I also went ahead and added water in my offals and also cut my green pepper, like the way I was doing it here. Kindly leave a sweet comment for your girl. So after making sure that my offals are now ready, I went ahead and sauteed my rice like the way I was doing it here, and also had to clean it with water. And this is how you do it. So after washing my rice, my sister-in-law went ahead and helped me with cooking of the rice. And today we are having vegetable rice. And basically how you prepare vegetable rice is you get your ingredients. Those are the onions. You get your carrots green pepper, and then you add in some small oil, and you also add in salt. So this is how it looked after cooking it. So after my sister-in-law helping me cook the rice, she then now went ahead and peeled the matoke. Matoke are basically the bananas, but today we are having the green bananas. So most of the time where I come from in my home, we love preparing different types of foods. So after peeling the matoke, she now went ahead and got the banana leaf and covered the matoke. Most of the time here in central Uganda, in Buganda, it's in tradition to use banana leaves to cover your foods. So after the matoke getting ready, those are the bananas, she now went ahead and smashed them, and this is how you do it locally here. You don't use a mingling stick to smash your bananas. All you do is get your water so that it doesn't burn you when you're smashing them. And this is what she was basically doing here, and it comes out nicely. Don't forget to give your girl a sweet comment. So after a few minutes, our foods and our sauce were now ready to be served. Most of the time in my culture, it is the ladies to serve the food. That is why in my videos, you see me serving the food amongst my family members. So you guys, we also accompanied our food with avocado, and the food was so yummy. It was so tasty. We enjoyed the food that we prepared. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, and kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you're the first person to watch my videos. I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.